They say that there's so many Nigeria army don't buy for inside Osumo today as we dey talk. No be small thing o. This Biafra Liberation Army don come outside come bring update of wetin dey happen for inside Osumo. E say that many armored tank wey dey carry enter inside that place say they don burn all of them. Two of them don kpai as we dey talk. Na I say hey, this one o, this war na be small thing o. However, we go look inside, come find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We still dey here o, dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. My people, as we all know, they say no be small gbaga and gbege wey dey for inside Osumo. And I may we still dey here, dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot of wetin dey happen for that area. This Biafra Liberation Army now don't come outside, they come bring another update. Say they still there for the matter and they monitor the whole movement what they do for that area. Say as they talk now, two don't buy today according to the information wey pass. And they can't even talk say the armor tank where they carry come, many of them they don't destroy them with the Ogbunigwe. Don't be smart, you know. However, I'll play the video, may you watch before we go come back, can continue.
Danger zone, don't give them one. Chuko Kike. Hope. You hear the score, be? All your armor tank will finish here today. All your armor tank, you go finish here today. Believe you me. All your armor tank. You understand that we have come, that we will restore Biafra, and nothing more and nothing less. There's nothing you can do. The lives you have wasted. Look at the money you have wasted. All in the name to hold Biafra down. Person where hold person down, you know follow they down. The warrant where they prison, they protect the prisoner as it not also a prisoner. You have no sense. I've told you before. It's either you let Biafra go in peace or you be in pieces. Okay? This war you cannot win. Now then they find way to go now. How many armor tanker where you don't lose within the surface of 5 days now? How many life where you don't waste? I mean, how much where you don't lose? You understand? The more you continue this madness, the more you will lose more and the more you will fall. But I'm still here to tell you that nothing happened to us. Not even single soul is lost among us. We have died finished and we cannot die again. So, if you like, bring more enforcement and here then go die finish. If you like, withdraw them to save their life. All those things, now water, you know they do us anything. We did, and I'm still here to tell you that you can never win. Not today, not tomorrow, and not ever. Yes, we are here to restore Biafra, and nothing more, and nothing less. You are finding low, you are looking for a way to tow your armor tank away. The chain are finding every mean possible. But what if we tell you, say, this armor tank, you know, go move from here? You go not say our juju, the juju of our land, don't tie them down. And how many hours where then they call for backup? Then come, you don't enter. To enter, they easy, but to come out, you know, easy. Yes, to enter, they easy. To come out, no easy. Now here you go there, see they break. We go keep you company. We there here with you now. Now we on the ground. If you love your life, run, come out. If you hate yourself, remain, you must die. Immediately this darkness cover You don't see say weather don't change since now. Immediately the spirit take over, sun cease. Have you seen sun since 2 o'clock? Sun cease because now we be the sun. Now we are here with you. You know what we are made of. The land will swallow you all. Your machinery no dey gree come down from Armoured. You tell them say na only bomb and snapper and they take it for war. They no dey gree come down from Armoured. We are here with you. Come down, you no gree come down. Now where Armoured don't spoil, wetin you want do? Tata. Now so, as you can feel it, we are here to entertain them. They came to our domos. Probably, maybe the Valentine we did to them yesterday, some of them who did not collect enough, see have morale. Although they bring enough people to come and collect their own. And I've been here. We are giving them. We are giving them. We are giving them. So, Jasper is there with them. We know say Jasper come. Jasper come, he's there with them. Many saboteurs are joined them to come and show them the road. But it's not that you don't know the road too, but enter the road now. Enter the road. We know that you know the road. We know that you were here with us. We know that you know who we had. But the fact is that you know the saboteur in the land of the Biafra cannot survive the wrath of Biafrans. The spirit of Biafra know the joke with the saboteur. So, no be one lie. We dey with you. We dey with you. Carry them come. We like it too, as you dey bring them to come die. We like it. You just say we know the road. The road no dey the way where you take comot. As you comot to go sell your brother, the road don't change. The road don't change. More don't change everything. As you dey come, everything don't change. You go die here with them. The saboteur go die here with you now. If he no die, it means say he deliberately bring una to come die, make una kill him. You know what thing they do because he know quite well say una own don't finish. But he see deceive una, carry una enter. Now we dey ground. Now we get here. This is the land of our ancestors. We go nowhere. Okay? We go nowhere. Now here una go die finish. All this one where una they do na para. Na para. Na para. Chideke God. If you shout these people, they waste bullet, If you shout these people, they waste bullet. These people, they waste bullet. They know they see anything, no. Out of fear. Then go just put hand for trigger. Then go just they do gra-ga-ga-ga-ga-ga. You hear them? Gra-ga-ga-ga-ga-ga. For 30 minutes, their hands see there for trigger. Nothing where they see. Just the waste bullet. Just the waste bullet. And I told them, say this war, you know, feel winner. You know, feel winner. They thought it's a joke. Look at the millions and billions of naira they invented in this war. Look at millions of naira then put. Look at the millions of naira. Look at the waste of materials. Look at the waste of life. Today is 5 days. We are still on the battlefield. So therefore, they're falling so far. 3 Armoured have been destroyed. Tramotanga have been destroyed. Condemned, many lives have been wasted in their sight. They are trying to retrieve back with their armored tanker. Their fighter jet get problem. So we are still here entertaining them. So for now, children of the Most High, let me remain focused. I just say, let me update you. Let me give you updates. So, stay tuned. We are entertaining them. Morning. We are entertaining them. Remain blessed. I will update you later.
Yeah, my people, no be small thing o, say don hear am as they take talk am of wetin dey go on for inside Osumowo. Things are happening, and for those of you wey na dey for that area, una be careful, no know how una go take dey do una waka waka. And for those of you wey no dey that area, wey dey close, una still dey look una head o, make something no go fall for your head. However, if you know say you dey for Osumowo side, make you still update us of wetin dey go on for inside Osu. And no forget to drop your own opinion for inside comment section, and don't forget to share this video, very important. So share the video as e dey hot. Okay my people, I will bring you the next update as e dey hot o.